Hey guys, it's Amber and I'm back with a video on this month's Boxy charm. This is the big mama. This is the Boxy Luxe that I've signed up for. And the regular Boxy charm is about $21 a month, and then the Boxy Luxe, I believe it's $29 extra, and it's every 3 months, so it's once a quarter. And they have a lot of different items in here. You get a lot more than you do with just the Boxy charm. So I thought it was a good idea, and I'm always looking forward to my Boxy charm, so this just is like that extra kick and excitement for the Boxy Luxe, and I am so excited to see what is in this month's box. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing, and this is, of course, it is the little card that comes with it that explains everything that you got. And for this month, it says La Vie en Rose. So something, live in rose. I don't know, maybe that's what it says, La Vie en Rose. I think that's what that means in French. It's a really pretty card, I love that. Okay, I'm not gonna look what's on the back because that gives you all of the items that you get in your box. So I wanna be surprised, and let's just get into it. Okay, the first item that I see is this really pretty makeup bag, I think. It is a rose gold color, and looks like a pretty decent size. It opens up quite a bit. Let me tear this tissue off so we can see what it looks like. Yeah, it's a pretty good size makeup tote. Always use one of these to organize or for when I travel, which I will be traveling in 2 weeks, going on a cruise. My kids' spring break is going on, and just me and the kiddos are going on a cruise to Cozumel. So I'm really excited about that. I got a couple bathing suits yesterday from Amazon, so I might do a try on with that. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that, and I'll post it. I'll make the video regardless, and let you, just so that if you guys are interested, I'll post it. They look really pretty on Amazon. I think one was $17.99 and the other was like $27. So, but, okay, so here is the makeup bag. It's like a rose gold snake skin. It's really pretty. I'll probably be using that on my trip. Okay, oh, and that runs for, I don't want to look at anything else. Oh, it says Boxy Charm Train Case is $20. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna get are these brushes. These are Moda brushes, and it is the powder and soft glow brushes. So everything looks like, I think the theme is pink. That's why it's live in rose. So that makes sense. Okay, let's open these up and see. Ooh, these are really pretty. I have a few Moda brushes. My paddle brushes are from Moda, and I love them. I mean, when the paddle brushes were getting really popular, of course I wanted to try them, but I didn't have the money to spend the big bucks on the expensive ones, so I bought the Moda ones, and they're really good. Oh, these are super soft. Ooh, look at those. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I don't have a brush like this. Do I have one like this? Powder. No, I don't have one like that. Ooh. Ooh, these are like a metallic pink. Those are gorgeous. Okay, and those retail for, MSRP says $29.99. Moda Powder and Soft Glow Kit. 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dramatic duo. 2-tone synthetic brush. Yeah, so that's those. Excited to use those. Next thing I'm gonna grab is this. This is Iconic London eyebrow cushion. Let me see. Let me see what this is. Not exactly sure. Eyebrow cushion. Okay. Obviously it has something to do with brows. Oh my gosh, look at that packaging. Man, I love all these. These all look really pretty. Okay, so it's kind of like the cushion foundations come in with that little like cover on there with the product. It has a mirror. So I'm assuming it's kind of like a wet product. Oh, and it has like this two-sided little brush. I don't know if I can do this with my nails on. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. Okay, it has like a little plastic. Okay, so it's a little wet. Ooh, I don't know about this. Oh, that was sticky. So here's the colors that they are. It's like a light brown and a dark brown, which I think will work for me. I've never used like a wet product like this, so I'll be interested in seeing how that works. Let me know if you guys have used a product like that, like a wet cushion. I'm interested to see. And that one runs for, let me see, Iconic Eyebrow Cushion. Wow, this is $40. That's crazy. Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. Huh. I'll have to try that out. I'm not sure, putting something wet on my brows. Okay, the next thing we have that I see are these Lily lashes. I've never tried Lily lashes. I've always wanted to. Right here, and they are in the style, I think it's Gia, G-A-I-A. Those are really pretty. And these ones retail for, Lily lashes right there, $24. So all of these products are, you know, high end. They're pretty expensive. You know, I don't wear eyelashes that often. I have small eyes, so I feel like when I wear lashes, they just overpower my eyes and they just look, you know, like fake. So I am trying to find a pair that doesn't do that. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know, because I just feel silly sometimes with them on. I love the way they look on other people, but on myself, it's like, I don't know. I just feel, you know, silly. The next thing I'm pulling out here is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I love peel off masks. And again, look at the pretty bottle, pink and gold. Let's see. Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. That retails for $34. And it contains a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, green tea extract, and some other things that I can't pronounce. So, you know, you can look that up to get the rest of the ingredients. But it says excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by choline clay, minimizing the appearance, I can't talk today, the appearance of large pores. This rose gold skin saving peel off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. Ooh, just what I need. Yes, I've been using some really like pore filling primers, and I had a little breakout on my chin yesterday. I think I just used a little bit too much, and so this will be really good for kind of just taking all that gunk out of my pores. I have pretty big pores, so that'll be great for that. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, ooh, these are pretty. These are the Deborah Lippmann, they're nail polishes. I never use this type of nail polish. As you can see, I do my nails, and I have another video on that. These are really pretty. They're probably regular nail polish, which I use gel. I mean, I can use regular. The only thing with regular is I would put like a gel overlay on them, and you have to really make sure that that nail polish is completely dry before you put that top coat on, or it'll actually like make kind of like waves or divots in the regular polish, and it'll ruin the nails. So that's like a sparkly pink. And then there's another one that's, ooh, like a light pink nude color. These are pretty, and the bottles are really pretty too. They're very elegant looking. The colors are O'Donna and Modern Love. And these nail polishes go for $20 for that pair. It says the dual patented formula in your new Deborah Lippmann 2-piece set lets you bring the nail salon home. The 10 active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving the effect of gel polish without the damage. Okay, so I'll have to try that out. I'm loving those colors. Okay, next thing is huge. This is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Wow, that is a big bottle. Let's get that sucker out. I've never used this, and you know, right now I'm using the Elemis one that we got, and I've been using it since we got it, which I love it. The smell is like incredible, and it's worth like $130 something. I think I might have got it in my last Luxe one, or Boxy Luxe. I'm not sure, but I love it, and haven't run out of that yet. But when I do, I am going to be trying this, or I might just try it, you know, switch back and forth or something. But I was worried because I'm like, oh no, I might run out of good, you know, that good moisturizer and not get another one. But this will probably be the replacement. Let's see how much this sucker is worth. $48. So if you guys have used this, let me know. It does say it is a transforming, moisturizing super cream, anti-aging armor for rejuvenating. So yeah, all skin types. I'm excited to try that. I hope it smells good too. I should have opened it, but that's alright. I don't really feel like opening it yet. Okay, the next item. Ooh, pretty. It's a Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. Color on the top, if you can see it, that looks kind of dark. I don't know. Again, gorgeous gold case. Feels very luxurious. Well, I mean, it's like a reddish brown color, but you know, you can always just put a little bit on and then put a gloss over it to lighten that color up. I wouldn't typically wear a really dark color like this, but oh, and it has, I love it when they have that magnifying. Let me see. Whew, that is like luxury to me. That's really pretty. The case is gorgeous. Okie dokie. Okay, so now we're getting into, I feel, 2 palettes in here, I think, left. One's like huge, and the other one is a decent size. I think that's what's left. Yeah, I don't feel anything else. Okay, so I'm going to pull this one out. This is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. This is like an all-in-one face palette. You have your highlighter, your contour, finishing powder, blush. You have a few highlighters in there. Wow. That's gorgeous. And it has a really good size mirror in there too. So, you know, I'll be bringing that on my cruise. This one is worth, Cover FX, $45. So you pay, what did I say, 20 and 29, 21 and 29. So that's $50 for this, and the total value of it just way surpasses what you're paying for it. I can see $100 in like 2 items almost. So the overall value is probably closer to like $250, which is crazy, and you get to try all these amazing products. So I'm really excited to try that one. Okay, the last item in the box is the Morphe. Okay, so the last item in the box is this Morphe 15D Day Slayer palette. So another palette. So you have a face and looks like an eye. It looks like we may have like almost an entire face worth of makeup. Okay, and this is one of those hard cases. It's not the cardboard kind. And let's open this sucker up and see. Okay, so it's very, very, very warm. Here's that right there. And I do like to wear a lot of warm colors. There's some different, more orangey colors that I don't think I've seen. doesn't, I'm not going to say it doesn't excite me, you know, as much as if I had something a little bit more versatile, but it's really pretty. And again, that huge mirror that it has. So of course I love Morphe shadows, so I will definitely be using this. It has a lot of pretty shades in there, a mix of matte and shimmer, so that's always good. That mirror is really nice. Okay, so that was our last item. Oh, let me tell you how much this one was worth. Where did that paper go? Ah, give me 1 second. It fell. It flew away. Okay, so this Morphe one is worth $16 for this palette. So yeah, the overall value is, it has to be more than $250. I'm not exactly sure. I didn't do the math, but just by looking at it all and looking at this little flyer, there's a lot of products in your high-priced, high-end items. So I think it's definitely worth it. I love getting these boxes, especially the Luxe one, because you know you're going to be getting more than just the 5 or 6 items, and it's always worth it. So let me know if you got the same box as I did. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.